If you want to finally understand how money grows, how the rich build wealth quietly, and how you can start investing, even if you're a total beginner, then don't skip a single second of this video, because today you're learning exactly how to start investing in 2025 and start growing wealth fast, even with little money. Most people think investing is complicated, risky, or something only rich people do. But the truth is completely different. Wealth in 2025 doesn't come from luck. It comes from consistent action, simple strategies, and knowing where to put your money so it works for you 24/7 while you sleep. Before we begin, here's your one-line call to action. If you're serious about becoming wealthy in 2025 and beyond, hit the like button so YouTube knows you're ready for change. Now, listen carefully. Almost everyone wants to invest, but only a tiny percentage actually start. The reason is fear of losing money, fear of not knowing enough, fear of choosing the wrong investment. But what if the real danger is not investing at all? Because the money sitting in your bank account is losing value every single day due to inflation. In 2025, the only way to protect your money is to make it grow faster than inflation eats it. And the good news is, you don't need thousands of dollars to start. You don't need to be an expert. You don't even need a complicated plan. All you need is a smartphone, the right mindset, and a simple roadmap, exactly what you're about to get in this script. So let's create curiosity right now. What if I told you the average person could turn $5 a day into $50,000? What if you knew how to build wealth automatically without checking the stock market every hour? What if you learned the exact investing habits millionaires silently use every day? What if 2025 becomes the year you finally build your future instead of dreaming about it? That's what this video is about. Stay with me. The first idea beginners must understand is this. Wealth is not created by taking big risks. Wealth is created by taking small, smart steps consistently. People imagine investors sitting in front of screens, yelling buy and sell. But real investors quietly put their money into long-term assets that grow over time. And those investors build more wealth than 99% of everyone else. In 2025, the world of investing has become easier than ever. Apps allow you to buy fractions of stocks. You can invest with $1. You can automate everything. You can copy portfolios of the world's best investors. And you can diversify with a single tap. The barrier is gone. The opportunity is wide open. But here's the twist. Even though investing is easier, people are still broke because they don't know where to start. So let's break it down in simple language. Imagine planting a tree. The first few weeks, nothing seems to happen. But underneath, roots are forming. That's exactly how investments grow. At first, the growth is slow. But over time, because of compound interest, the growth becomes unstoppable. This is how normal people become wealthy. Not overnight, but over time. Now, let's talk about the mindset you need. Because investing is 20% skill and 80% psychology. You need patience. You need discipline. You need to stop chasing quick money. You need to stop listening to people who say investing is gambling. You need to believe that your future matters more than your fears. Once your mindset is right, the next step is choosing where to invest. And in 2025, beginners have 4 major options: index funds, ETFs, blue-chip stocks, and high-growth sectors like AI or renewable energy. Each of these works differently, but all of them can grow your wealth if you invest consistently. Index funds and ETFs are beginner gold because they spread your money across hundreds of companies. It's like buying a basket instead of buying one fruit. Even if one company fails, your money is safe. This is why millionaires love index funds. Low risk, steady growth, long-term wealth. Blue-chip stocks are the giants companies like Apple, Microsoft, Amazon. They grow slowly but safely. They pay dividends. They're designed for long-term stability. Then there are high-growth sectors. These are riskier but offer explosive potential. Think artificial intelligence, robotics, clean energy, biotech, and cybersecurity. Investing a small percentage in high-growth sectors can multiply your money faster, but you must balance safety and risk. But let's make it real. Let's create a beginner investment plan. You can start in 2025 even, with small money. Imagine you invest $100 every month. But wait now, imagine you invest $200 a month. Now 30 years becomes over $300,000. And if you're consistent enough to invest $500 a month, you're looking at almost $1 million over time. This is why wealthy people keep getting richer. They use time as a tool. But beginners in 2025 need to avoid the 3 biggest mistakes. 1. Stopping when the market drops. 2. Trying to time the market. 3. Investing without a plan. When the market goes down, rich investors buy. When prices fall, it's a discount, not a disaster. Meanwhile, beginners panic and sell. That's why they lose money. Wealth is built by staying invested. So here's a simple rule. Time in the market beats timing the market. Now let's build the beginner roadmap. Step 1. Set a monthly amount that you can invest, no matter what happens. $100, $100, $300, anything. Step 2. Choose long-term low-risk investments, like index funds or ETFs. Step 3. Put 10 to 20% in higher growth areas for faster growth. Step 4. Invest automatically every month. Step 5. Increase your investment as your income grows. Step 6. Don't touch your investments. Let them grow. This is how real wealth is created. But I want to go deeper. Let's talk about emotional patterns. Most beginners quit because they don't see quick results. But investing is like building muscle. The first month, you feel nothing. After 3 months, you see small changes. After 6 months, your body transforms. Investing works exactly the same way. If you quit early, you lose everything. If you stay consistent, your money starts growing on its own. And the moment compound interest kicks in, your wealth grows faster than your effort. But here's what truly separates investors from non-investors. Investors understand that money has a job. Money must work. If your money is not working, you must. That's why rich people always invest. They understand money is a worker that never sleeps. Now, let's talk about 2025 trends. Because this year is full of opportunities. Artificial intelligence is exploding. AI companies are going to dominate the next decade. Clean energy is getting billions in global funding. Robotics is entering homes and industries. Cybersecurity is essential as digital threats rise. Biotech is creating life-changing innovations. These sectors will create the next wave of millionaires. But you must invest smartly, not emotionally. Diversify. Protect your money. Don't go Elon. Use research. Use logic. Use patience. And don't forget this. The big wins in investing come quietly. Slow growth is still growth. Small investments still change your life. Even $1 invested is better than $0. Now imagine yourself in 2026, 1 year from now. You look back and realize you started your investing journey today. You see your portfolio growing. You feel proud. You feel secure. You feel in control. That version of you starts today with one decision. So if you're watching this video right now, here's your message. You deserve wealth. You deserve freedom. You deserve a future where money doesn't control you, you control it. And investing is the first step. If this inspired you, stay until the end of the video, because every second is a step toward becoming financially smart. For the next video, visit the channel and continue your wealth journey.